how to delete voicemail on Android phone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you delete voicemail on Android phone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open device settings for your device. Okay, so after you open the setting, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like app. So simply tap on this app settings. Alright, so from the app settings, you'll have to scroll down and find the app phone. So it usually represented by the phone icon. Alright, so after you find the phone, you'll have to just tap on it. Alright, so now from the app info of phone, you'll have to just scroll down and go the option storage. Okay, so from here, you'll have to tap on this clear data option just at the bottom left corner. So simply tap on this clear data option. Alright, so from here, you'll have to tap on this OK option. And now we are done. After you done this, you'll be able to delete voicemails on your Android phone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.